Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have Hagen with me. He is actually my cousin's son, and seriously, the sweetest, kindest guy you can meet. Yeah, he is awesome. We always let his hair grow out this long, and then we do a number 2, and I'll always say, just the same or what? And he's like, yep, just get it off. So he likes the number 2, he likes it short, and then he always teases. He's like, well, you know what happens after that? And he puts a hat on. So he doesn't really care. Yeah, exactly. So we do like to do the number 2. But yeah, his dad and I were obviously first cousins, and we literally have so many memories. His dad is so good at the guitar. And Hagen, that's one thing about Hagen, is he is so good at music. He like writes music, he makes music, like, anyway, very talented. So yeah, super fun. Little something about Hagen and his dad. Okay, so you can see where I'm coming up to about here with the number 2. If you can see it underneath all of this hair. But it lasts a while. I mean, when's the last time? Like, how long in between our haircuts?
Oh, I lose track of time, to be honest with
you. Know what? Me too. So I don't even remember. But
quite some time, though.
Yeah, it lasts a long time. So it's good. Okay, so now that I have, you guys can see how far up that I've come. Now I just wet this down. We're going to take this off. It's my favorite when he comes to, because I know it's going to be like a cut. So it's super fun for me because I love cutting hair off. So, okay, he likes it nice and short. So this is just above finger length. Finger length is when you bring your finger to the scalp and then you cut to your finger, okay? So I'm coming to his scalp and then up a tiny bit. So it's not right to the scalp, so it's not finger cut. It's a little bit longer than finger length. Okay, so I'm coming across the back. So I start at the top, come around to the back, take all this length off. Okay. Editing is good. Okay, so I'm just coming around here. Same thing. Okay, so that's the back. Now I'm going to turn him around and show you guys that I'm going to come up the front. So the middle, and then I come to the sides. And then from the middle, I come back over to the other side. Yeah, I love it. He's always like, I'm going to throw a hat on, RaDona. So just cut it short. I don't care. Okay. Just going to spray this down a little bit more. You still doing lots of music, bud?
Yeah, working on trademarking the name and everything like that. And then I've got like 20 songs up for release.
Wow, that is incredible. I always tell him, remember, when you become famous, remember who your cousin is. Yeah, he is definitely pro. It's so neat. Well, good for you. That is awesome. Okay, now that I, have come middle, right, middle, left, Now I'm going to come up the middle and the sides, coming the opposite way that I had cut. So, which means up this middle, holding it straight up. Okay, then we'll turn into this side and double check this side. Okay, and then the front. Then of course, all of this we are going to blend in. And take that off. Okay, so all of this is coming off when we take the sides in. All right. Take this off. I'm bringing the comb in from the number 2, and then I'm gonna hold this out a little bit. You doing good, bud?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. "20 songs. That's unreal. Really cool. Okay, you guys, I'm just bringing this. You can see from the number 2, I'm just coming straight up from that. Blending this in. I love to clip or over comb for my blending. Okay. Then you're obviously going to, check side width, like from this side, all the different sides to make sure that the blending is even and that you're not missing any spots. And if you're very first blending and starting, you might want to come up this way instead of across because you take more hair off across this way. So maybe come up this way and start with a little bit more control, going vertical instead of horizontal. That just takes a little bit longer, but you're in more control. I always love to do the horizontal just because I can take more hair off at once. So if you get, comfortable, then you can do that. If not, like I said, I would just do the vertical and go up and down. Okay, then I am obviously going to come behind, and double check my blending. Okay, so I can see this is blending good. That's blending good. Well, a little bit tighter right on this one corner. And then what I'm going to do is take the corner off from the blending. So what you do with that is come up this way. There can be a corner here always that you can take off. That will blend that in nicely. I'm going to take this a little bit shorter right back through this area. Okay, okay, and this up here. Okay. Doing good, Hagen?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, then I'm going to just check his front. he doesn't, whoops, like that to get too long here. And not that he cares because he throws his hat on, like I said. Okay, now we are going to go around his ears. Clean this up. Okay, and then straight down. Okay, I'm just coming up, cleaning this up. Okay, sweet. All right, Hagen. Now, in fact, I'm going to turn him one more time. Yeah, how's that front? Is that front okay?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, RaDona, you don't have to ask. That hat is going on. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, first off, how cute Hagen is. He's awesome. And then just wanted to show you just a high, tight, short cut. Easy, especially if you're throwing on a hat, right, Hagen? Okay, you guys, thank you so much. I'll get that hair off of you. And I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the cut, and we will chat next time. See ya.